Hello students, welcome to SmartKidz tutorials. In this video we'll be learning the 6 time table. We'll learn a trick to make it easier for us to remember the 6 times table. Now for the 6 times table, if you remember how we got our 3 times table, it will be very easy. In our 3 times table, we drew a 3 by 3 grid or a 3 by 3 table wherein we had 3 columns and 3 rows. So let's us draw that column, and we'll need 2 of those grids, and I'll show you why. Well, first let us draw the 2 tables. Okay, I'll draw a big grid over here like this, and then column 1, column 2 and 3, and similarly we need 3 rows, so 1 and 2 and 3. Okay, so we have row 1 here, row 2 and row 3, and we have column 1, 2 and 3. And we'll draw another table just like this one. I've drawn another table out here. Okay, so once again 3 by 3, so we've got 2 tables, if you notice over here, 1 and 2. And our next job will be to fill up the these cells with the digits in the units place first, just like how we do it for the 3 times table. Okay, so what I'll do is I'll put over here 1 2 3, then we go 4 5 6 7 8 9, and I'll put a 0 outside. Okay, this is how we did it for the 3 times table. I'll repeat the same for the next table as well. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, and there will be a 0 outside over here. Next, for the first table, now we'll fill up the digits in the tens place, like how we did for the 3 times table. So that was, if you remember how it was for the row 1 it was all zeros. Then for row 2 it was, we filled it up with 1 in the tens place, and row 3 filled it up with 2 in the tens place, and finally outside it was 3. Now for the second table, slight differences there compared to the first one, and here we will change things a little bit. Here, since we finished with 2 in the last row, in the next row we'll continue with the next number, that would be 3. So we finished with 3 0, right? So this would be 3 in this entire row, followed by a 4 in this entire row, then we have a 5 in this entire row, followed by a 6. If you actually notice, okay, and if you go to find out, this is, is 3 times table all the way till 10, but this is 3 times table all the way from 11. 3 11s are 33 to 3 20s are 60. You'll be wondering, why am I actually finding out 3 times table here using this trick? This is for 3 times table. Soon you will find we will be able to locate the 6 times table in these tables itself. So what I'll do next is I'll circle some numbers. Okay, so that's 1 over here, then there's 2 over here, then there's 3 over here, and there's 4 over here. Okay, and I'll connect them like a diamond shaped structure like this, and this last 24 that you can see, I'll connect it to 30, and I'll do the same thing for this table as well. That's 1, that's 2, that's 3, that's 4, and then I join them like a diamond, and I'll connect this 54 to 60. Now before you look any further, I'll put down the 6 times table, and then we'll compare this whatever we have drawn over here. Okay, so 6 into 1 is 6, 6 into 2 is 12, 6 into 3 is 18, 6 into 4 is 24, 6 into 5 is 30, 6 into 6 is 36, 6 into 7 is 42, 6 into 8 is 48, then 6 into 9 is 54, and 6 into 10 is 60. Now if you look at the top part, we connected the 6, then 12, then 18, then 24. Look at this, 6, 12, 18, 24. And finally we connected the 24 to 30, that was 6 into 5, that was 30. And look at the table here. If you notice, it is 36, 42, then we have 48, 54, and finally 60. So this is how we find the 6 times table in the form of a diamond. But only here the difference between the 3 times table and 6 times table is that in for the 6 times table we have to draw two grids like this, but we have to follow the same pattern as that what we followed for 3 times table in order to fill up the cell. Slightly different for that second table, as you have noticed, but the idea is the same. And then in order to get the 6 times table, all we do is we connect these numbers in diamond formation with this extension for 30 and 60 in these two tables. Okay, so if you found this video helpful in order to learn the 6 times table, please hit the like button. Ask your friends to watch this video as well, they may find it useful. If you have found it useful, please subscribe to the channel and keep watching for more such videos.